हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। और आज हम आपके लिए लेके आए हैं मिंत्रा का हॉल। सो इट्स अ हॉल ऑफ कुर्ता सेट्स and a few kurtas. So majorly it's into kurta sets. So as we all know कि wedding season पास आ रहा है, we all want to know कि हम क्या पहन सकते हैं, हमारे पास क्या options available हैं. So Myntra has always turned out to be my savior. So I prefer Myntra. But do let me know if you guys want me to do a haul of ethnic or western category of any other platform. I would be more than happy to. Without wasting any time, let's get started. I have bought a very off yellow, lemon yellow kind of this kurta set. So if you will see, it's a very beautiful kurta set. It has a round neck. I wear XL size. I'm a bit into a heavier side, so I wear XL size. So all the products I have brought are in XL. You can go for whatever the sizes you feel comfortable in. So this has an overall floral pattern here, and if I let you see in zoom, it has a very good pink color. It's an embroidery, it's a very clean work if you see, and it has a leaf structure, and the embroidery is all over the bottom. Now on the sleeves, we have this lace work. It's a very good quality of lace. On the sleeves we have, on the side line of the side which is there of kurta, we have the same. And from back it's total plain. It doesn't have detailed hair, and it comes with a pant. So it has a string in it, so it's elastic. It comes with this pant, and if you will see, the bottom also have very beautiful. So this is the thing which attracted me the most. Now this is something new for me. It has a lace work here and at the bottom as well. So it's the quality is very nice. The fabric it comes with, it's a chiffon dupatta. Oh my god, the quality of the dupatta is so soft. It's just feels like I'm just touching some cotton, like a ball of cotton. It's very soft. It's a good length of dupatta. If you guys can see, it's a good length, and it has this lace all over here on the dupatta as well. So it's a very good quirky kind of yellow color. And this set costed me, 1287 rupees. It's a bit on a higher side, but I believe it's just the appropriate amount for such a beautiful kurta set. Moving to the next product, it's a blue kurta set. It's a very sort of inkish blue color. It again comes with a round neck, but it has a very beautiful embroidery which gives a V shape to the on the chest, and the embroidery is in very pastel shades if you see. The rest of the kurta is solid, and it's it's a fabric or mixed. I believe it's a mix of cotton and rayon fabric, but it's very breathable. If you like, we know that winters are almost at the end, and if you will wear it in the summers also, it's very breathable. On the sleeves also we have this kind of embroidery here, and yeah, from back it's again solid. So it's very minimal work, very classy work, which I believe. It comes with a pant. It's a solid pant. It's elastic. It's a solid pant. On the bottom they have given embroidery which is same on the sleeves. So this embroidery is just appropriate, like it completes the kurta set very perfectly. It comes on your near your ankle, and it suits very well there. Dupatta we have is a georgette dupatta here. They have put a lace of the embroidery, and it's a very floral print there, and the length of the dupatta is also very good. So the next product I have is a very what would we call, like it, a muddy color kurta. It's a simple kurta. It's a solid kurta. It has a cute V-neck over here, and it has pleats over here. So if you will see from zoom, it has pleats over here, which gives you very formal, semi-formal kind of look, and it has buttons over here which is just perfect, which is complementing it just perfectly. It does not go very deep on your chest. It's a good v-neck cut. And this particular product, I many colors were present in it. I believe there was some light blue, ice blue color, baby pink color, lemon yellow color was there. But this color I didn't have in my wardrobe, so मैंने इसी color को purchase किया because this is a new addition in colors to my wardrobe. So this I got at 489 rupees, which I believe is a steal. It's a some of khadi cotton type of fabric, very comfortable, very breathable. You can easily wear it with a black palazzo or a black pant, or maybe even you can go for a brown texture, which will complement the buttons which are over here. The next product which we have is kind of my personal favorite. I have to attend a wedding in February, which is my friend's wedding, and I was looking something to wear on her haldi. Not too very heavy, not too very into the lighter shade. I was looking something to wear on her haldi occasion, which suits perfectly well. So I have got this yellow kurta set. It's very beautiful. Like when I just saw it for the first time on Myntra, I was like, I am buying this. This is again an XL size. As I said, all the clothes are in XL size. So this again comes with a beautiful V-cut neck over here, and it has, if you see, it has an embroidery over the neck which comes with this is a sort of mirror work, which we call mirror work, but it's not mirror. It is something we say as a foil work in our in the garment industry. So this has beautiful foil work over here, all brown, and combination of mustard and yellow thread is just appropriate. The rest of the kurta isn't too solid, but it does have these type of straight vertical linings over the over whole kurta, and at the end they have this kind of gota or lace, you can say, put, which I am really not a fan, but it's okay. It is complementing overall the kurta very nicely, so it's okay for me. I will definitely wear this. It again comes with pant. So I have tried to order all the kurta sets which comes with pant and not palazzo, because I am short heighted and on a heavy side. So I think that palazzo and the kurta make me feel more on the heavier side and makes me look more smaller. So it's just my opinion, what I feel about myself. But obviously if you love palazzos, you can go with it. Maybe I can wear a heel and I can carry it off. So this again comes with pants. It's again an elastic pant, and it's a solid pant, only the same thing which is there on the kurta, they have done it over here. And this is not gota, this is print. This is the print which they are having on the bottom of the pant. It doesn't come with a dupatta, so I have a nice red dupatta which I got, which my mother-in-law gave me on my engagement. And this yellow kurta set costed me 989 rupees only, which is just perfect. So the next product I have is a black kurta set. Now this is not into pants. It has, just love black color. You can guess it. So I just bought a black color kurta set. It's very beautiful. It's really very beautiful. I just fallen for it, and it's just perfect. It comes again with a normal round neck, but the print and the pattern which is there, see, though it has a beautiful pattern on the chest, and this is print, this is print, this is not embroidery, and it has some embellishments over here, if you can see, but this, and if I show you at the down at the bottom of the kurta, so this comes like this. It has a very beautiful print at the bottom of the like at the bottom of the length as well, and it has this overall small booty work type of all in print. I just wish that it doesn't go on wash, because these kinds of prints generally fade off when we wash it, but I really trust Myntra on quality, so I really I really wish that this doesn't goes off. now again it has a printed palazzo. So this is, if I'll show you, this is the width of the palazzo. So it's not a very a very flary palazzo. It's a normal palazzo pant, you can say. It comes with a full print which is there over the kurta. So, and it has at the bottom, it has this kind of print again. So this becomes very symmetric to the kurta. Now I purchased it for 8.99, and I believe like it's a good cost. On Myntra, obviously we have a little higher cost products, and but the quality, as I said, that it's very very nice. So with this, we come to an end. Now let me tell you that I have purchased more products from Myntra, but this particular haul, I don't want to make it very big. So you can say that this is Myntra haul part 1. I will again come back with another new video with new products with Myntra haul part 2. Till then, please, I request you, if you like the products, please subscribe the channel. Throw in your comments down if you want me to do any other haul of any products, maybe ethnic, maybe western, maybe not clothes, maybe jewelry, accessories, or any other thing. Please throw in your comments. Do such bell notification so that every time I upload a new video, you get notified. Show me your love. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.